Most events don't fall apart because of bad speakers or venues. They fall apart because people don't arrive on time. Chicago is a world-class city and a difficult one to improvise in. Traffic, restricted loading zones, and weather leave very little margin for error. In Chicago, events rarely live in one place. Hotels, venues, staging areas, often miles apart, connected by congested corridors. For example, McCormick Place alone can break an unprepared transportation plan. Scale changes everything. Where buses stage matters. Chicago restricts curb access aggressively. Miss that detail and everything backs up. This is a practical step-by-step guide for event planners booking charter transportation in Chicago, without guesswork or last-minute chaos. Before calling any provider, define the mission. How many people, where they're going, and what's non-negotiable. Vagueness creates surprises. Precision prevents them. A bus is not just a bus. Full-size coaches handle large groups. Minibuses work in dense neighborhoods. Sprinter vans fit small, fast-moving groups. Transportation should match the event. Corporate events demand punctuality. Weddings demand ease. School trips demand safety. Sports teams demand space. Not all providers operate at the same standard. Verify project support levels, insurance, and documentation. Reputable companies provide answers without hesitation. Charter bus pricing isn't mysterious, it's math. Always request itemized quotes so you know what's included and what isn't. Contracts protect your schedule. Confirm pickup locations, timing, and contacts. In Chicago, preparation is the difference between control and chaos. Arrive early, stage clearly, communicate constantly. When transportation works, nobody notices, and that's exactly the goal. If you're planning group transportation in Chicago, take the time to get it right. Find additional local guidance at metropolitanshuttle.com/Chicago Charter Bus.